Hey, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Collab Lighting in Detail. Today, we're diving into Australia's first full-scale 3D printed residence, why it's groundbreaking, and why we got involved. Let's get straight into it. Let's talk about the duplex, Australia's first full-scale 3D printed home. Actually, the first in the entire Southern Hemisphere. Located in Woolooware, New South Wales, this build combined two cutting-edge systems. Opus, an Australian-designed, engineered and manufactured dynamic mobile gantry system by Contour 3D used for the ground floor, and VersiClad, a modular, structurally insulated wall and roof system used for the first floor. Now, before we talk lighting, here's what makes these processes so unique. So what is Opus? It's not your standard 3D printer. Instead of plastic filament, it prints using a proprietary blend, 40% raw materials and science. Just like traditional 3D printing, a digital model is created and sent to the printer. Opus then prints both internal and external walls in continuous, high-speed passes with millimeter precision, real-time self-correction, and monitoring. Layer by layer, the home takes shape. Sounds simple, but trust me, it's a masterclass in construction innovation. I'll link more technical info below if you're curious. Next is VersiClad. Their prefab panels were custom cut, factory made, and delivered to site. Lightweight and efficient, they were installed in just days. The result? A fast, sustainable build with a 7.9 star energy rating, thanks to both the 3D printed and insulated elements. We were brought on board by Pete Harlett, one of the project's partners, who knew our work and approach to lighting design. After visiting the site and witnessing the build process, we partnered with Bettina Easton from Kundal to craft a lighting concept aligned with Genesis and VersiClad sustainability goals. Okay, let's talk lighting. For Duplex A, we followed the architectural curves using intense 3D optic, a malleable neon flex with an optical lens array that created a soft blur grazing effect, enhancing the sculptural form of the printed walls and lighting the hallways with subtle shadow play. Duplex B had a sharper, angular feel. We introduced a bold floor-to-ceiling linear black profile, sleek when unlit but striking when illuminated. Each duplex reflects its own personality through tailored lighting. Common walls act as visual anchors, while ceilings and first floor lighting follow a less is more approach. We used white recessed linear profiles paired with ultra-low glare downlights to provide functional, understated illumination. Beyond design, efficiency was key. We used LEDs for low power consumption and added tridonic Kasambi modules for smart lighting control. From your phone or tablet, you can adjust brightness, set scenes, automate schedules, or control lights via traditional switches. Simple, flexible, smart. What more can you ask for? We also introduced a custom decorative lighting range, featured in both homes through unique pendants and wall lights, tailored to match each space's aesthetic. It's part of our ongoing commitment to creative, forward-thinking lighting. Lighting design is shifting, less about flooding a space, more about intentional sculptural light. We focus on three core elements. Ambient, your overall foundation. Task, for things like food prep or work. And accent, to highlight architecture and movement. Bringing in a lighting designer early unlocks a space's full potential, and this project is the perfect example of that. Okay, this has just been a glimpse of what was achieved. If you want to see the full story, I highly recommend the video by the local project. I'll link it in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of Home Lab Lighting in Detail. Take care.